It's not a huge secret. Artificial intelligence is moving fast. It can code, test, and refactor better than ever. It can also go into automation environments and manufacturing and design and so many other areas of engineering. But there's one area where artificial intelligence can't compete, and it's being human. Let's talk about that. Hey there, my name is Jeff Perry, leadership and career development expert, author of The Intentional Engineer and The Intentional Career Guide to Professional Networking. And today we're talking about artificial intelligence and how we can lean in to what really matters. Engineers who want to future-proof their careers need to lean hard into the skills that machines and artificial intelligence cannot replicate. This isn't about just protecting your job, it's about intentionally growing into something irreplaceable. So I want to give you 5 high leverage skills that AI can't touch and probably never will, and how you can start building them right now. Number 1, emotional intelligence. The best engineers that I've ever worked with are emotionally aware because, yes, you're solving technical problems, but you're doing that for and with people. So we're not just managing systems and processes, we're managing energy, tension. We need to build trust and build relationships with people. We need to understand how what we do impacts those that we work with and how that impacts our end users for whatever we're building and designing. So the best engineers notice how people feel and adjust accordingly as they're interacting with them. Number 2, and this is related, is communication. This comes in all forms of communication, so clear writing, impactful speaking, presentations, and everything in between. Engineers have the hard task of translating technical concepts and solutions into business value. And communication can then turn our ideas into influencing others and outcomes. Number 3 is strategic thinking. Can you zoom out from not just getting myopic about what needs to be accomplished right now and what you're tasked with doing, but why does this matter? Can you see where the company's going and make sure that you are working hard to align your work and your efforts with that? That is really the difference between someone who's a great executor and someone who's a little more on the visionary side. Number 4 is conflict resolution. There's always going to be disagreements and tension in great teams. That's actually a good indicator when there is disagreement, and that's fine. So great leaders, great engineers don't avoid tension. They actually just know how to navigate it with skill and integrity and help people come together and then make decisions and move forward in alignment. Number 5 is building influence. Influence isn't about manipulating people, it's really about trust. And trust is earned by delivering consistently, showing up authentically, and investing in others where they see that you live by what you say you're going to do. All 5 of these are really about how we interact together as humans. And while AI can be used and relied on to do what it does well, these are things that can't be replicated. And as we're always going to be interacting and working with people, we need to lean into these and do these that much more as AI and other things will take over more of the technical burden. So think about this for you. Which of these 5 skills will you be intentional about growing for the next week, month, or the rest of the year? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you have to say. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe so you can be notified of future content like this. And if I can help you as an individual, maybe in some of my career development programs, or I also work with teams and organizations to build out career and leadership development programs with them, would love to talk with you. Please reach out, let's connect, and I hope to talk to you soon. Take care.